Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can have a system sound in your Bigo Live. To do so, first of all, just open up your Bigo Live, making sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. And after making sure of that, go on to Me, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. And when you are on your Me, you'll be on your profile. Now click on Settings, which is on the top right side of your screen. And once you are at settings, you can see an option for notification. Click on notification, and now you can choose the type of notification that you want to receive. You can either enable or disable notification if you want to receive it on your Android smartphone or not. You can choose all the type of notification like news fan, new visitors, and live messages notification as well. Choose the one you like, enable them, and disable the ones you don't like. And now this is how you can have a system sound in your Bigo Live. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.